Leveraging federal infrastructure spending for Opportunity Youth, or OY, is important because it provides billions of dollars worth of jobs to those who may never have had the chance to take advantage of the opportunities that are unfolding. In this video, we'll touch on the federal infrastructure bill and its implications for workforce development and opportunity youths. The infrastructure law is one of 3 consequential pieces of legislation in 2021 and 2022 that are generating massive investments. Through the fantastic research of Martha Ross of Brookings Institute, she has identified the following information to share. The Bipartisan Infrastructure Law, also known as the Infrastructure Investment and Jobs Act, or IIJA, invests in transportation, broadband, energy, water systems, and other aspects of our physical environment. The other, called the CHIPS and Science Act, invests in the semiconductor industry and its research and development. The last, called the Inflation Reduction Act, which is focused on reducing greenhouse gas emissions in supporting the switch to clean energy. The infrastructure field has multiple subsections, including transportation, trade and logistics, energy, water, telecommunications, and public works. At about $864 billion, 2/3 of the funding will go to transportation. It involves multiple federal agencies, down to multiple state and local agencies.
There are more than 16 million infrastructure workers, a total of 11.8% of national employment across the country, with almost 100 different occupations, including laborers and movers, heavy truck drivers, electric power line installers and repairers, highway maintenance workers, bus and truck mechanics, and dispatchers. The infrastructure bill allows a strong focus on workforce development, but does not generally require it. Billions of dollars are available for workforce development through IIJA. The Department of Transportation, Environmental Protection Agency, Department of Commerce, and the Department of Energy have a total program count of 72, with funding from 2022 to 2026, totaling $490 billion. State agencies control most of the funds, allowing workforce development activities, with 79% of the funds going to formula programs, where federal funds go to predetermined state entities, and 21% of funds going to competitive programs, where federal agencies design program requirements and a range of organizations can apply. Workforce entities should take the following steps. Scan the infrastructure priorities, activities, and challenges in your region. Assess your capacity to meet upcoming labor market demands in infrastructure subsectors. Identify where the money is flowing and assess your relationships. Consider both formula and competitive funds and how and where you can add value. And lastly, consider who else should be involved in developing stronger career pathways.
We hope that was helpful. If you want to learn more, check us out at newwaystowork.org. See you next time.